before the time come that it's some workers to work in the wrong LCC. Okay. So once again nga naman pala, before I forget, I just get my morning greetings, my Saturday greetings of my WH to say thank you. Thank you that I reached already of my WH and my LS. Thank you very much talaga. That you continue support. Even that you are busy. Even we are not the same nationalities. And of course, 100% we are not the same countries, except some of my subscribers, viewers, and supporters.